So next topic is polymorphism. Refers to the ability of a method to process objects differently depending on their data types or classes. So example would be person. So at office, a person will be referred as employee, and at home he can be referred as husband. So uh, depending on the situation, the same person is treated as with different names. So this is an example for polymorphism. Uh, so in Python, so polymorphism is achieved through inheritance. So in previous topic of abstraction, we discussed about shape as abstract class and rectangle and circle as their subclasses, which are concrete classes. So here the method abstract method was calculate underscore area. So that abstract method was implemented within these subclasses. So here depending on the class type, so for rectangle, the area was calculated as length into breadth, and for circle it was pi r square. So here we can see, like based on the class type, the calculate area method acts differently. That means here its implementation is different, and under circle it is different. So this is nothing but an example of polymorphism. That means, like, polymorphism is achieved through inheritance. Okay, so the next topic is composition. So composition refers to having instance of one or more classes inside another class. So this is nothing but there will be one container class within which an object of another class will be present. Uh, Example, car is composed of engine. That means a car class will have an object of type engine. So here we can say that composition refers to has a relationship. That means, like, car has an engine. Uh, this is like similar to, like, if we remember inheritance. Inheritance represents is a relationship. So let's see an example about composition on Visual Studio Code. Okay, so consider employee class as container class and salary class as another class, which is whose object is embedded inside the employee class. Okay, so first let me create salary class. So here let me add constructor with pay. Okay, so then let me define another method, get annual pay. Okay, so now let me create the container class employee. Here let me pass pay and bonus as part of employee CTC. So here self dot pay is assigned to pay and self dot bonus is assigned from bonus. So here let me create salary object as part of this employee class, and here let me pass the pay which is passed to the employee constructor. So now let me create another method called annual salary, and here let me return the get annual pay method plus bonus. Okay, so now let me create an employee object, and let me pass pay some number. Okay, so now let me print the annual salary. Let me run this. Okay, so this gives the value of the annual pay. Uh, the point to remember here is whenever the uh, container object is destroyed, even the its content objects, the object which is of type salary, that will also be destroyed. So that is the point about composition, which means that whenever a container is destroyed, all of its components will also be destroyed. Okay, so that was about composition. So that was about the overview of object-oriented programming concepts. I think I covered all the topics from this list. So if you have any doubts or if I have missed any topic, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.